Hey, what is up, guys? I'm back with another video. So today, we're gonna. I know, but something happened to it. Yeah, I was lagging. What are you doing? What are you doing? Okay, so today we're playing. Your thing is lagging. Stop. Let's get in there. I was gonna drive. Okay. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Oh, let's get. Yo, that was so funny. Yo. No, it was something else. Stop. Oh, I have nothing else? Oh, we're going on the ATK now. Up your mom. Yeah, shoot. No, what happened to the ATK? What the heck? Yo, what did you do? Stop, stop, stop. Come on, get in the ATK. Yeah. Okay. I know. I know. Damn, he got in the ATK. Whoa. Enough, stop. No. Hey, 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 hey. Hey, stop. Stop. Really? Nah. I almost cursed on my channel. Bam. Guys, watch this. Guys, watch this. Roysters! How? How? How did it? No. Yo, that's so weird. How did you get that kill though, for real? No, he didn't break it down. He didn't break it down at all. Stop, that's my loot. That's my loot. And you took my mini bullets. Yo, where my mini bullets at? And my sniper bullets. Give it back. Give it back! No, I saw the trap. Is that I just really wanted to go into it. No, you don't even have a trap. Trap, 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 trap. Yo, I really need sniper bullets. And mini bullets. Yo, I need my bullets back. I do. Yeah, he took it. It takes the same ammo. Get away! Go ahead, shoot me, shoot me. Go ahead, shoot me, shoot me, shoot me. Go ahead, shoot me. Yeah, shoot me. Oh crap! No, I wasn't talking to you. I hate you. Do you know the way? Yo, he says it perfectly. That was like around January, right? Oh, stop, stop. No, I didn't. You suck. Those were my sniper bullets, first of all. Be quiet. Okay. I need my sniper bullets. I need sniper bullets. Okay, spare some. Spare some. Medium. Okay, I'll give you them. Okay, thanks. Hold up. Don't kill me, for real. Don't kill me. Medium bullets, right? Close to 1,000, but it's not. I will unfriend you. Oink! And then after you say that, he kills you. I'm the only one that's at 100 tiers. Yay! No, I didn't. I did not buy them. Why would you think that? My mom bought it. My mom bought it for me. No, she didn't. Remember, I was still a noob. Oh yeah, I got some. I got like 5 tiers free. No, I'm Ragnarok. You should know that. Yes, it's so. Oh God! Wait, a shame. Wait, a shame. Me? And then he kills himself. The heck? He only has like 50. Anybody got any traps? Anybody got any traps? So nobody got traps, huh? Why? Okay, guys, this is the end of the video. So I hope you enjoyed it. And I know. I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to share, like, and subscribe, and leave a comment, and share this video with anybody that you love, like, and have a crush on. Bye!